So, the other day we went to visit a good friend of ours and spent the day over there walking around, seeing his property. He's got a big farm. It was a good time. On his farm, he's got a big barn. He used to be a chicken house, and so it's really, really long. He used to professionally farm chickens. But now it's mostly filled up with just stuff like tractor parts and motorcycles and everything. And we got to looking around the barn. He had quite a good collection of motorcycles going, but in that collection he had two Honda CT 110s. I didn't know what they were, and they were laid over sideways when we first saw them in the dirt, and they were missing parts and flat tires and hadn't run in probably 15 or 20 years. But I got to looking at them, and he was assuring me that that's exactly what I needed, was those two Honda CT 110s. But at first I didn't know what they were. I had no idea, so I was thinking that's exactly what I don't need. They look like they would just be a ton of work and I could never get them going. Anyways, so we left the barn, we went to walking around, and he kept assuring me that those things were the greatest things in the world, and I got to thinking about them. So we went back to take another look at them. And the more I looked at them, the more I started thinking maybe that's exactly what I do need. So anyways, we loaded them on the trailer and took them home. And the next day when I pulled them out of the trailer, I really started to second guess that decision, because they were in really, really bad shape. But anyways, so this video here is about restoring both of them, and not really a tutorial on how to or anything, just some pictures of what we done. And it was pretty easy. It went way faster than I thought it was going to be, and once I got to looking into what those Honda CT 110s are, I was really, really impressed, and they are a lot of fun. They're great bikes. So yeah, this is a video of how it went and some of the steps we went through. So I hope you like it.
Please forgive me if I act a little strange, for I know now what I do feels like lightning running through my veins. Every time I look at you, every time I look at you, help me out here, all my words are falling short, and there's so much I want to say. Want to tell you just how good it feels when you look at me that way. When you look at me that way. Throw a stone and watch the rivers flow, moving out across the bay. Like a stone I fall into your eyes, deep into that mystery. Deep into some mystery. So I won't ever have to lose you good. Won't ever have to say forgive me if I act a little strange.